The wind whispers ancient stories. Greetings from Obi Nnukwu Chineke. We are blessed and empowered to beautify the earth with the creations of our brains and 5 fingers through the existence of the wind, water, and sand, which our creator Chukwu Okike Abiama, the owner of all humans and languages, uses to sustain humans' life and hears their prayers, and also to monitors every activity on earth, both in the spiritual realms, without a mistake, to avoid blacklist after death. Today is Saturday, September 7th, 2024, also known as Iki, Market Day in Igbo land. You are blessed with good things surrounding you. Be kind to your fellow human beings in your involvement. Today, Saturday, we celebrate wind for his good work upon human lives by presenting the wind to our Creator, the owner of the wind, to increase the power and blessings of the wind, to be more effective in healing all kinds of sickness that troubles human life. To free humans from bondage, they have involved their brains and minds that cause war and undeveloped, resulting in suffering, crimes, and conflict that bring darkness upon human lives. Our Creator, the owner of all humans and languages, knows everything about human actions without error, via the existence of the wind on earth, and no human being will be free from the evil they afflicted upon their fellow humans. And there is nothing like a prayer of forgiveness after afflicting evil to your fellow humans, because the wind has monitored all your movements and action toward your fellow humans. The wind knows the mistakes of humans without a plan, and prayers don't forgive the plans before the evil actions, because prayer is not pleasing after afflicting evil toward your fellow humans. The owner of all humans and languages made his creation perfect before he created humans to avoid blacklist. And he positioned wind to have access to human life and monitor human minds when humans breathe the wind. The wind comes out with everything that humans have in mind to install the human mind before action, because action comes from the mind, and each action comes with breaths. And with the presence of the wind, no human being will be free from evil actions they afflicted toward their fellow humans that cause death, suffering, and crimes. Wind heals human sickness through the information that comes from the water in the human body. Water is aware of everything in the human body, and water passes the information of the human body to the wind. The wind informs the sand of anything concerning the human body. Here you can see that these 3 elements pass human information and actions to one another to keep a record of each human being to avoid blacklist after death. You can understand perfectly that there is nothing like a prayer of forgiveness after planned evil against your fellow human being, and accomplishing it. Afflicting evil upon your fellow human being causes pain and death, and can lead to crimes that bring conflict. To avoid evil actions is to be content with what you have. Learn how to manage what you have, not be greedy. Be sanctified with what you have. Learn to economize and stop spending above your income to avoid an empty pocket that leads to crimes and evil plans that result in destroying humans' life for your selfishness. Learn to engage your brain and 5 fingers at work so that you can build your life to the standard to avoid jealousy while seeing others making it in life with their brain and 5 fingers. Be hardworking and be persistent in your good work, and with time you will achieve greatness that brings joy. Always on good behaviors to avoid evil actions. Be kind to your fellow human beings and be careful while dealing with humans and avoid evil affliction. Not harm yourself. Be generous with what you can afford. Don't give what you can't forget to free your mind so that your mind can focus in what that can benefit your life and your followers. Today, Saturday, is a celebration day of the wind and his good work upon human life, since the wind was created to work here on earth, without break time, always at work, to sustain human life and monitor all the activities around humans to avoid blacklist after death. The wind sees everything. It witnesses our actions, both good and bad, It carries our prayers and our hopes. Water reflects our true selves. It shows us the beauty of our world and the impact of our choices. The sand remembers. It holds the footprints of those who came before us and will hold ours for generations to come after us. Nature is always watching, listening, and remembering. Our actions have consequences. Be blessed and be careful of the things of the earth to avoid hurting yourself and your fellow human being. The love of our Creator, the owner of all humans and languages, loves humans beyond human understanding, and He positioned the wind, water, and sand to sustain humans and monitors humans' actions toward they fellow human being to avoid blacklist after death. These elements are not separate from us. They are part of us. For this reason, be very careful in your performance on Earth, and be blessed each day of your life. The wind, water, and sand will always assist you to achieve greatness in your good creativities, to support your life and your fellow humans with perfect health, and your fellow humans will always be at help when you needed help for the betterment of your life. Be blessed and be safe each day of your life. Ise, meaning so shall it be. Have it in mind, wind, water, and sand, they flow through us, sustaining us, connecting us to the source of life. To respect them is to respect ourselves, to be careful not to destroy our fellow humans, because wind, water, and sand attach to all humans' life, to monitors all the words and actions, and to have a file recorded each human's performance on Earth, to avoid blacklist after death. The wind sees all. It witnesses our actions, both good and bad. It carries our whispers and our cries. It knows the secrets we keep hidden. Water reflects our true selves. It shows us our beauty and our flaws. It remembers the tears we shed and the laughter we share. Water holds a mirror to our souls. The sand records our footsteps. It remembers where we have been and where we are going. It holds the imprint of our lives, our struggles, and our triumphs. These elements are silent observers of our lives. They are witnesses to our every thought, word, and deed. They remind us that our actions have consequences, both seen and unseen. The unforgiving archives. The wind carries away empty promises. It knows the truth behind our lies. It exposes hypocrisy and deceit. What is spoken to the wind cannot be taken back. Water washes away superficiality. It reveals the intentions of our hearts. It exposes greed and selfishness. No amount of water can cleanse a soul set on evil. The sand buries our secrets, but it never forgets them. It holds them safe, waiting for the day of reckoning. We cannot hide our true nature from the elements. These elements do not judge, but they do not forget. They are the keepers of our karmic records. Our actions leave their mark, shaping our destiny. We cannot escape the consequences of our choices. The path to harmony. Embrace contentment. Do not crave what is not yours. Like the wind, find freedom in simplicity. Let go of material desires and find joy in the present moment. Work hard with integrity. Like water, be adaptable and persistent. Overcome obstacles with grace and determination. Find fulfillment in honest labor. Be kind. Show compassion to all beings. Like the sand, offer support and grounding. Let your actions nourish the world around you. These virtues are not just abstract ideals. They are the keys to living in harmony with nature and with ourselves. They are the path to a life filled with meaning and purpose. Nature remembers. The wind whispers. It tells stories of those who lived with integrity and compassion. Their legacy lives on, carried by the breeze. They have found peace. Water flows. It reflects the faces of those who lived in harmony with the earth. Their spirits are cleansed and renewed. They are one with the source. The sand remembers. It holds the imprints of their footsteps, guiding us towards a brighter future. Their example inspires us to live better lives. Nature is always watching, listening, and remembering. It is up to us to choose what legacy we will leave behind. Let us strive to live lives worthy of remembrance, lives that will echo through eternity. I will stop here for now, and I will always bring to your table the good news of the wind, water, and sand that constantly sustains your life and monitors your activities without error to avoid blacklist after our flesh body departs from the surface of the sun. We are blessed from Obi Nnukwu Chineke, the blessings of the universe. From Oin Ndu, Ikuku Achinike, the messenger of the truth afterlife.